Hey guys, if you'd like to see new content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see my new posts, go ahead and hit the post notifications, the little bell next to subscribe. Alright, when you're all done, click on one of my videos. Alright, hello everybody, what's going on? It's Mr.JET here, and we're here with another tutorial. Today's tutorial will be about how to make your own Minecraft server. Completely free, runs off your computer and your internet. So all you need to do is go down to the link in the description and click on it, and it will take you to this website right here, Minecraft.net. So all you need to do is click download. First of all, it'll download, but I've already got it downloaded, so all you gotta do is once it's downloaded, put it into a folder of itself, because if you don't put it into a folder of itself, it will just keep opening and opening and opening more of the files, and it'll be hard to keep track of, and you just want to keep it in a folder of its own. So put it in its folder of its own. All you're going to do is double click on it and let it open. Here we go. Alright, so you will saw the little thing pop up. Now what you need to do is go to the EULA and double click on it and change false to true. And then save and exit. Now once you've turned the false to true in the EULA, double click once again on the Minecraft server 1.11.2 jar. And it will, whew, there it goes, starting up your server. Let's see, let's open it bigger so you can see what's all going on. So it's basically setting up the spawn area, and it'll do this every single time that you start up your server. And let's let it load up real quick, and then we can finish what we're doing. Right here is your memory use, and as it loads the world, it uses more and more. Alright, so once this is done, your server is completely up. It's up for you to use. But some things all you have to do to close down your server is type in stop, and the whole thing will shut down. Alright, so this only comes with a limited amount of RAM. So what you need to do is open up a new folder. Wait, no, not open up a text document. Sorry, and change it to something you're gonna. It's basically going to start up your server and give you more RAM. So change it to something you'll remember to click on. I'm just going to put start server. Now change the txt, the .txt to bat, B-A-T. You hit enter. It's gonna ask you if you want to change it. Hit yes, because it's what's gonna make your startup. So there's two different ways to get get more RAM. You can go down into the description and click on this, or on that same website you were on, it's right here. So either or, what's faster, doesn't matter. See, I'll show you it works both the same way. So you go here, copy. No, not that one. Edit. Paste. Now, what you need to do is, this right here needs to match this. So, click rename. And copy. go back into your document and change this to that. Now all you need to do is save and exit and start it up. So let's go back into that and okay. So I already had one set up, so I'm just gonna go back through and do exactly what I did. Okay, so it's not gonna start up for me because I already have one open. So it basically goes through and starts it up. It gives you in this, it looks like the CMD little thing, but it works just as good as the original one you got. So it works exactly the same. So let me go into Minecraft and let's load up, and I'll show you how to get on there. There will be an entirely other tutorial after I really go into detail on how to figure it out for the IP, but I'll show you how to get onto it when there's people in your local area using your local internet. So it's on there, and just minimize this and we can open up on here. Alright, so let's keep it going. I'll go back to you when we get onto that point. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr.JET here, and we are here with another video. As you can see, what is that? No, I'm not gonna click it. As you can see, we're on my channel, and I'd like to show you. All right, for some really weird reason, including that I have 29 subscribers, I somehow managed to get 46 views on that episode. That was 2 months ago, and 2 months ago means that I've been off for there. Everything was destroyed. The base, it disconnected me from that faction. I lost everything. So, if you want that back up, just put a like on the video and comment, yes please. for another factions, and it will be like factions episode 1.5, and we'll start from there. With I'll see if I can gather up some people, and we can just restart from scratch. And even if you want, I can go from a different. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr.JET here, and we're back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is how to make your own personal Minecraft server. This will be hosted on your internet, your computer, and run by you. Absolutely 100% free. So all you need to do is go down into the link in the description and click on the first link, the only link. But all you have to do is click here, and it will give you this. You can just drag this over to your desktop, open a new folder. You can title it whatever. So go into it and double click it. So a lot of things are going to pop up, and the only thing you really need to worry about right now is the EULA. So go into the EULA and change it from false to true. And save and exit. Then go over to the Minecraft icon and double click it once more. It's going to finish opening up the rest. Alright, so this is your panel where it's the control center of everything. So you have your little command area here, and in the chat right now it's basically setting up your whole spawn area, the whole world mostly, and over here it's your memory use, which every time it loads in a chunk, your memory goes up. Now this only comes with a certain amount of RAM, and we can get into how to add RAM to it after this loads. Alright, so it's fully loaded in, and don't worry about that. That's only for me because my computer's a little low running. Anyways, all you need to know right now is how to start and stop. And if you want to say something for your server, you do slash. You don't do slash. Do say, and then write something. It will say it on there, and you can go into your multiplayers, and I already have it set. Should be set. Yep, right there. And all you have to write in is localhost, and then join. So I'm joining in. Alright, I'm in, and let's let it load in. And okay, I'm on. And just to prove I'm on, Mr.JET Gaming joined the game. So as you can see, my memory use has spiked up quite a bit. That's gonna spike up every time, like I said, you load a chunk. And it how I said there's only a little bit of RAM, like there's a limited amount of RAM that comes with it. There's a way to fix that, and it kind of Mojang kind of helped us with it. So all you need to do, not Mojang, just the Minecraft peoples, kind of helped us with that. All you need to do is go onto the website, or you can go down to the link into the description, not the link, just the description, and copy this. Now, go into your server and write stop. That will stop the server, shut it down, make it go offline, and just wait for it to save everything, so it will shut down. There we go, and it will exit out for you on here too. So let's refresh that, make sure everything's working right. See, server cannot connect to server. So what you need to do is go into new, go to text document. So what you're gonna want to do is change it to something like start server, and you're gonna want to change the .txt to that BAT. It's gonna ask you, say yes. It's just so you can start up your server like this. But if for some reason you do not see the .txt, go to view in your new folder and go down to file name extensions. You see that? Look, it's gone now. So if this is how you're looking at it, go here and click there so that you can connect everything. So that command that you just copied, paste it into the this start server bat. Now you can exit and save, but you're not entirely done. You can go back into it, and you need to change this to this. Whatever it says in there, the easiest way is rename and then just copy, and then you can go back into it and change it. Alright, so you're basically done. All you need to do is use it to start like that from now on. So let's get it to here. Let me try something real quick. And we need to go back in here and fix this. Edit. Go back in and change, yes. And let me go here once more, because I've tried this once before. No, that needs to stay completely connected. Alright, that should work. So now once you've done this, and it's exact, sorry, let me click on. So now that it is exactly the same as this folder right here, this document, this icon right here, all you need to do is save, exit, and start it up. And it should work like that. It's same as the one before, except the RAM is much more. Alright, there you go. So same way to get on your server is that way. And I've of course edited it to more players, so when I have all my friends on here. Alright, see, look at this. Server's all fine. The reason it's a different world is because when I first started it up, I accidentally corrupted it, the world file, so I restarted the world file, and it just kind of gave it on one of my personal world files. So, but anyways, it still works exactly the same as it would the first time around. I just had to fix it because I screwed up by myself. But see, you can write say hello, and the server says hello. Now you can do kill Mr.JET gaming, and I died. So, and it works pretty dang good for a server that you make on your own and that you can use in your local area. I'm 95% sure you must use it on your internet, kind of like a LAN port, except you can have more people and it works better. So, let's get down to some like server things on here. Okay, so you can go down to your server properties and it will open up a notepad or any other kind of text document, and you can go in here and it just shows you basically everything that generates in here. Like the world size, you can make it as big as you want. Command blocks, I'm actually going to turn those on because I do a lot of things with command blocks. You can turn, I don't know the maximum amount of players you can have on there, but I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 9,999,009. That's it's a lot of players. You can add flight. You can add IP, but the IP you have to go through different places. Like you can go to let's see, I'll put a link in below and you can check out a video on how to get your IP out there into the world. Alright, so like I was on there, that's all you have to do. And okay, let me go back to the one I was on. Yes, okay. So from that point on, you need to stop your server and go back into it. And it will close for you on there. Oh, it says old. Server is out of date. I'm confused. What did I do wrong? Did I add something I probably shouldn't have? Let's turn that down a little bit. Maybe it was that. I don't like. Alright, so let's go ahead and save it there. Alright, go back into it, refresh. Alright, yeah, oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Right there. That's pretty great, isn't it? I'd say so. And now you could have, I guess, infinite amount of players. Infinite amount of players. Now, what you do with it is that it's all you, so have fun. Go ahead and create great things, and everything that you need to make your server public will be in the description of the video. So if you like the video at any point in time of this, if you liked this video at any time, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you have not, share with your friends,